Proudly serving Cornwall and surrounding areas, Back to Black Asphalt Sealing and Crack Repair is your locally owned and family-operated business. As owner and lifelong member of the community, Catola Watson takes pride in providing quality work and customer satisfaction. Recognized as industry leaders, our sealing process protects your driveway with a beautiful, long-lasting matte black finish. For a free estimate, call Back to Black Asphalt Sealing and Crack Repair today, 613-551-2788.